I will talk about how can you add your bio on your app. We go to on your Fastic app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on your name down here, and just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on this sign and you just click on it. You come to next step here, add here view, your view here. So when you're down here, just go above this sign, click on it. So then automatically here it's going to add video on your Fastic app. So that's all you have to do to add your bio here. I wish now you accurate. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.